Hello everyone, GeoInfo 1.2 is out, and in this video I will show you what is new. Okay, one of the big new you can see in this version is the level, the artist level bar. Okay, when you enable this option, you can see what is your level. So now you can go in artist level, and to understand how this work, you have these two values, all and end goal. If you have one all, you have 20% penalty. Okay, and if you have one end goal, you have 10% penalty on your note, on your notation. Okay, so I have 3 end goal and 1 all, so I have 50%. 50%, I'm sorry for my bad English, penalty. Okay, and if you start solve your error, you can see your notation automatically update. Now you have this. Now you have this level. Now you have this level, and if you solve the all and correctly, totally, you are a master, 100% master. Okay, if you want, you can change the penalty point here, and this is really useful to see what is your level. And if you want, you can check all the primitive object. For example, drag and drop on the cylinder. You can see the cylinder have 2 end gone, so the user, the artist, lose 20 points. Okay, you can check Suzanne. The level is beginner because Suzanne have by default 4 all in the A here. Okay, for the cone, you have the master level because you just have 1 end gun here. Okay, and it's the same thing. If you solve this, automatically you have now a master level, 100% master level. Okay, okay, okay. Now you have in you have this new option, the polygon count, the polygon level, sorry. When you enable this, you can see now you have automatically, GeoInfo gives you automatically the level of polygon of your mesh. Okay, and for example, if you add a subdivision modifier, by default you have low poly. If I add a subdivision, now I have the level of my mesh is mid poly, and now A poly, and now very A poly. Is really useful. Okay, and okay, for the pointer you have now, for example here, if I create now a new all, for the pointer you have multiple a lot of new animation method. Okay, by default you have ping pong, now flow by default. Now you have ping pong, and you have flow plus, the target move and stop on the surface. And for ping pong is exactly the same idea. Okay, and now in shading, you can enable or disable shadow for the panel, the arrow, etc. Okay, you can enable custom color, so you can apply a single color for all the mesh surface. Okay. And okay. Voilà. And if you want, you can check any object level to see directly what is the level of this artist. Why this level is intermediate? Because you have two holes in this modeling. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and you can get this update on my Patreon.